Hello everybody, welcome to the 14th and final day of the speedrun single player remake single players in this marathon. Well, and I am exhausted. I just came back from downstairs. Well, I was originally going to film this video. I couldn't. I just didn't have enough time. And so I had to film up here. So the total room count for today is 68 rooms. Same as day 1. And the amount of rooms I completed during this marathon is 1,344. I thought I would do for 14 days. Well, not since it wasn't commuting the previous days. Yes, everybody, goodbye.